Okay, and the bumper is off. I'm not gonna show you how to do it. It's not that hard. It's not that easy, to be honest. But I mean, I'll put a link in the description of how to do it, how I followed it. I'll show you me doing it though, cause it's the start of the show. And we're gonna test fit this. The only problem is I already test fitted it earlier, and this part, I believe right here, needs to get cut off with the Dremel. So I just got a pretty good Dremel, and we're gonna cut probably this area off right here. So stay tuned. Okay, so I test fitted it and just butchered marking it right here. See where we can kind of get a cut going across. Did on both sides. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna cut these with the Dremel. It's got a Dremel. Here's a mark right there. It's kind of small, but these are not going to be able to be used anyways because the frame on the 3000 actually comes up here and across here, so it ends like right there. But this one stays low. I don't know the purpose of it. I don't know why they did that. Wish they would just use the same one. Got it off. We got this part off at least. Those blades wear off really easily, so we're going to kind of snap this in half because I'm out of blades already. Just went out and bought like $10 worth of them. So we're gonna snap it off with pliers. Got some heavy duty pliers here. So that's what we're gonna do. So I got this off. Just kind of play with it off, pried it off. That could kill someone, it's so sharp. But probably gonna sand this down. Yeah, probably gonna have to sand this down a little bit with the Dremel. Cause there's some blades on there. Look at that. Yeah, no. So I took a little break, but I came back, did this. It wasn't pretty. Only took about 2 hours for that one. Yep, about 2 hours. And it's nothing fancy. Kind of just ate at it. But it works. The fitment is here. Bam. This is it. So I bolted it up, not all the way though, so in case I have to take it off. I mean, the corners aren't as bad as I thought they would be. But the one thing that's really getting on my nerves is my hood. I mean, I think you guys knew that there's a huge bulge there, but it's starting to like mess with this. It's starting to bowl right there. It's starting to piss me off. You can see it's kind of like, that's the gap there, about halfway to my finger. And that's the gap there, about a quarter way to my finger. And it's also like pulling up on it. So right here, biggest part right there. Here to right there. I can't get my finger in there. Here I could probably get my finger in there for one. Yeah. So snake eyes aren't coming in yet. Not until I get painted. Get new brackets for it. Yeah. So looks sweet though.